New Jersey Highway Access Permit Restoration Bond. What is New Jersey Highway Access Permit Restoration Bond? The New Jersey Highway Access Permit Restoration Bond is a type of surety bond required by the New Jersey Department of Transportation when a contractor or developer performs work affecting state highways. It ensures that any restoration, repair, or reconstruction of the highway is completed according to NJDOT specifications. In essence, this bond serves as a financial guarantee that the road will be properly restored after construction or utility work. Why is New Jersey Highway Access Permit Restoration Bond required? The bond is required to protect public funds and infrastructure by holding contractors accountable for restoring the highway to its original or approved condition. Without this safeguard, taxpayers could be left responsible for repair costs if a contractor failed to meet state restoration standards. By mandating this bond, NJDOT ensures road safety, quality, and compliance with state regulations. How does New Jersey Highway Access Permit Restoration Bond work? When a contractor obtains a highway access permit, they must also secure the bond in the required amount determined by NJDOT. If the contractor fails to complete the necessary restoration work properly, the state may file a claim against the bond to cover the costs of repairs. The surety company that issued the bond will pay valid claims, but the contractor remains financially responsible for reimbursing the surety. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.